Welcome to Solverfy, the place where learning becomes simple. If you're struggling with homework, assignment, or doubt in subjects, don't worry, you are in the right place.
So this problem gives us a reaction happening at the anode, which is CH3CH2OH gas plus 4OH minus aqueous forms HC2H3O2 gas plus 3H2O liquid plus 4E minus. And then at the cathode, we have O2 gas plus 2H2O liquid plus 4E minus goes to 4OH minus aqueous. And so these are our two half reactions, and the main thing we're concerned about is the number of electrons compared to the number of ethyl alcohol molecules, which is the CH3CH2OH. And so I'll go to a new page, and we have 324 milliamps, which is equal to 0.324 amps. We multiply that by 10 seconds to get our amount of coulombs. Now that we have our amount of coulombs, we multiply that by 1 electron per 1.609 times 10 to the 19th coulombs. That's the charge of a single electron. And then we multiply that by 1 mole of electrons is 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd electrons. And so that gives us that we have 3.34 times 10 to the minus 5th moles of electrons. And we can convert that to moles of ethanol by a mole-to-mole ratio. We have 4 moles of electrons per 1 mole of ethyl alcohol. And so that gives us 8.36 times 10 to the minus 6th moles of ethyl alcohol. Now we can find our total moles of gas using the ideal gas law, and then divide them to find a percentage that is ethyl alcohol. And so our total moles of gas is just going to be N equals PV over RT, which we have 1.0 atmospheres times 0.188 liters divided by our R, 0.0821 times our T, 298 Kelvin. And so that gives us that we have 0.0077 moles of total gas. And so if we take our moles of ethanol divided by our total moles of gas and then multiply by 100 to get it into a percent, we find out that the percentage is 0.11%. And that is our final answer.